Hi, hello everyone. Please send thumbs up or hi so I can understand like who is live. Yeah, hi Deepika. Guys, please send me thumbs up or hi so I can understand like who is live. Hi, hi. Let's wait for some more people to join in. Then we'll start. Do share it with your friends so more people can join. Hi, hi Vividha. Guys, do share this video so more people can join and we can start as soon as possible. And send me thumbs up and hi so I can understand like how many people are there. Hi Deepika. Let's wait for 5 minutes so more people can join. Yeah, hi Soumya. This is my first live class on my page, so do encourage me and do share this video. So more people can join this and they can take benefit of this. Today we will make something for like Mother's Day, because today is Mother's Day. Send me hi or some thumbs up so I'll get like who's there, and we'll start as soon as possible. And do share this video, guys. This is my first video. Hi Vaishali. Happy to see you here. So today we'll talk, like we will do some craft, some home based material craft for Mother's Day only. So you can gift it to someone or you can use it at your home. Yeah, hi Ruchika. So guys, please do share this video so more people can join in, and I'll start as soon as possible. So, and frankly you will enjoy this, and this is my first video. If I'm like wrong anywhere, so please forgive me for this, and do encourage me, do share this video. Yeah, hi Poonamdi. So we start, and the people who join in middle, they will they can see the video because the video would be there on the page, so they can see the video after, they can watch the video after that also. So we'll start by the cardboard. If you are doing with me, you just want a cardboard, and we'll make something with cardboard and POP powder, Fevicol and water and some colors. colors whatever you have, if acrylic, chalk paints, and black color mainly we want. Okay, so we'll start. Okay, so here I'll show you this kind of shape I'm having, but this is from hardboard. This is from MDF, but I'm not using it because many people in lockdown they don't have this, so I'm not using it. I am what I did, I have made this shape on the cardboard. You can take any shape, you can take square, you can take rectangle, whatever shape you like. You can take square too, circle too. Okay, so जो भी shapes you like, या हाय रितु, जो भी शेप्स यू आर लाइकिंग, आपको जो भी शेप पसंद है आप वो शेप का कार्डबोर्ड कट कर लीजिए. आई एम नॉट टेकिंग दिस इज MDF. यू कैन टेक दिस, बट इन लॉकडाउन पीपल जनरली डोंट हैव द मटीरियल, सो आई एम टीचिंग यू विद दिस कार्डबोर्ड ओनली. सो व्हाट आई डिड, मैंने क्या किया है, जस्ट सिंपल मैंने यू कैन सी दिस लाइन्स. Just I have marked the shape over here and I will cut the cardboard in the same shape. If you are doing with me, you can also do. I am just simply cutting it, so nothing to show in that. I can cut it before too, but I would just wanted to show you the actual piece. That's why I didn't do this. So what I'm doing, I am just cutting the shape. You can also do with me, your kids can also do with me, no issues, it's very easy. If you have MDF board, you can try on that also. Guys, do share this video. This is my first live on my page, so it will encourage me and I will come with more and more creative ideas with you people, for you people. And definitely I will try my better. I will try my best to give you the better ideas. Yeah, hi Ruchi. So what I did, I'm just cutting the cardboard into a shape where I want to make my project. मुझे जो भी अपना आज का प्रोजेक्ट बनाना है, वॉट एवर शेप यू लाइक. इफ़ यू लाइक द चॉपिंग बोर्ड शेप, I like the chopping board shape, so I have taken the chopping board shape. And if you like any shape like square, you can try on square. If you are doing first time, you can try on square, you can try on rectangle, even you can take a circle. अगर आपके पास केक बेस है, कोई राउंड केक बेस है स्मॉल, तो यू कैन यूज दैट ऑल्सो. यूज्ड केक बेस इफ यू वांट टू यूज, यू कैन यूज दैट टू. यू हैव द स्क्वायर, you can use that too. So I will give you the simple idea of making a waste piece into an art piece. So, and in the meanwhile, yeah, hi Pallavi, in the meanwhile I will give you the idea also, like I am using this material. If you don't have this material, what else you can use, so you can use that too. Okay, so I am just first just give me 2 minutes. So I'll just cut my shape into a proper, it is a little hard from this side. Actually मैं इसको कट करके भी रख सकती थी, but the reason was you can't get the idea of like what I'm using, so that's why I have cut it in front of you, nothing else. I'm just using a normal cardboard, normal packing like with comes with the packing material. And yeah, hi Ruhi, happy to see you here. If you people want to do with me, just get ready with the cardboard shape, any shape, whatever you want, and colors and POP and Fevicol and water. This we need basically. Others is your choice, whatever you want to like decorate is your choice. The basic material is we want the base, any cake base also you can use. Yeah, it's done now. I am just finishing it. Yeah. Yes. So what I'll do, yeah, just one thing I like forgot to tell you is that you need a tissue paper too, because if you are using on cardboard you need tissue paper too. Like if you are using MDF, no need to use the tissue paper, but for making the cardboard hard we have to use this tissue paper. So see, my shape is done. We'll correct the shape with the tissue paper, so no issues. I have cutted this shape. Okay, so instantly I'll jump over my tutorial. Okay, so we have this shape of cardboard. You can cut in any shape. There is no issues. You can cut it any shape. Guys, do share this video and do send me hearts or likes if you like the video. Do send me the thumbs up, so it will encourage me, it will motivate me to come more and more live with interesting projects. And this is my very first live on my page, so do encourage me. So yes, this is done. What next we do? What I have taken, I have just simply using you can see, wait a minute, let me just set the camera. If you are not visible to see the project, you can swipe the right side of your screen, so the comments will disappear and you can see the tutorial fully. If the comment is like giving problems to you, you can swipe right to the comment section, and if you want to comment something, again swipe back. So what we need, we are just using a simple tissue paper, and what we will do, we'll take some glue. We'll take some glue in the bowl. This is very simple guys, your kids can also do, कोई भी कर सकता है. प्लीज़ अगर आप देख रहे हो और आपके बच्चे अगर 5 years या 4 years प्लस हैं, तो they can easily do it, no issues. Just you have to be with them, so just guide them so they can do it. So what I did, मैंने सिर्फ फेविकॉल लिया है थोड़ा सा. Thank you so much guys for coming live with me. Do share this video, do encourage me, so I will come with more and more ideas, and it is very beneficial for all in this lockdown period. So what I do, just mix a little water in the glue. A little water I have mixed in the glue. Can you see? I'm just mixing it. You can ask any question if you want. If you are like facing any problem, you can ask any question in between. I will eager to answer that, and I will happy to answer your questions, your queries. I will happily solve the queries. Okay, whenever you are stuck, you can anytime ask me a question if you are doing with me. or later on also you can watch the video. The video will be there. If you haven't seen from starting, you can watch the video. Okay, so we'll start our project. Hope I am visible. I am just covering my chopping board with glue and water mixture. I have taken a small size. You can take any size because I wanted to show you all the things in front of you. So I have taken a small size so it can be covered in some time. If I have taken a bigger size, so it won't be possible to complete it in one session. So what I did, I am just pasting my tissue paper. Roughly I am just pasting it. You can see it is tearing from here. You can ask any question if you are finding any difficulty while doing. Just covering the glue and water mixture over the tissue. कोई भी क्वेश्चन अगर आपको पूछना हो आप पूछ सकते हो. कोई भी आपकी क्वेरी हो. इन मीन वाइल आई विल हैप्पी टू आंसर. नो इश्यूज. विल कवर दिस साइड ऑल्सो. हम लोग इसको पूरा कवर कर देंगे. वाई वी आर कवरिंग इट? बिकॉज वी वॉन्ट अ स्मूथ कॉर्नर्स. Send me hi, so I'll get like how many people are there, and it's my very first live. So guys, do share this video, do encourage me. Nothing I'm doing, I'm just covering the tissue paper with glue and water mixture. Whoever has joined late, they can ask the question or they can watch the video from starting later, and they can ask the question right now if they are having any query. Just covering, nothing else, and a very thin layer, otherwise it will take very much time to dry. A very thin layer I am giving. No issues of this curves and all which is coming, because they all will be invisible after the textured paste. We'll give it a texture to this, so they all will be covered in that. हम लोग अभी एक texture paste बनाएंगे. You can make it with home based materials. No issues. If you don't have POP, I will give you the alternate idea. Just be with me. Just watch the video fully, and if you watch it live, then you can ask the question and you'll get your answer immediately. You will get your queries solved immediately. Otherwise you have to wait for some time. Okay, so what I did, I have covered my whole this cardboard. You can take, there is no point that the same shape you have to take. There is no point in such. See, just make the hole as it is, because we want to hang this project, and it will become a very beautiful project hopefully. So be with me, do encourage me, and do with me, so you will get your queries solved immediately. Because when see the video, watch the video, and doing the work is far difference is there. बिकॉज जब हम करने लगते हैं वो चीज़, तो हमें बहुत सारी ऐसी डिफ़िकल्टीज़ आती हैं. उस वक्त हमें लगता है कि अभी क्या करना था. तो आई एम सजेस्टिंग यू, इफ़ यू आर डूइंग विद मी, सो यू कैन सॉल्व द क्वेरी इमीडिएटली. आई विल happy to solve your queries immediately. So see, this part has covered. Okay, so meanwhile it is drying. What we'll do, I'll ready my dryer or glue gun, whatever you have. If you have hair dryer, you can also use that. If you have a heat tool, you can use that. Okay, so it is ready. I am making my texture paste. How can I make my texture paste at home? I will show you how to make it with home based materials. Here I am using yeah, hi Bosky. We are making a Mother's Day project, a chopping board you can say, or any wall panel we are making for our mothers to give them or to decor our home. So we are making this with home based materials. Okay, and yes. Hi Ankita. Hi Richa. Hi Shruti. So we are making it. So what we have done, we have just cut a hardboard on a shape. एक simple कोई भी shape, whatever you like, you can cut your project in that shape. Okay, I have taken the chopping board shape, and now what we have done, हमने उसको सिर्फ टिश्यू में ग्लू में वाटर एंड ग्लू मिक्सचर बना के टिश्यू को उससे कवर किया है. ओके, सो व्हाट वी आर डूइंग हियर, हम लोग अपना टेक्सचर पेस्ट बनाएंगे अब. सो विल टेक POP फॉर दैट. Just 2 spoon of POP. I am taking 2 spoon of POP. Just this simple spoon, 2 spoon of POP I am taking. Guys, please send hearts, please send likes, so I can understand like you are liking this project or not. Yeah, hi Lochan. Hello bhaiya. So 2 spoon of this POP and the same 2 spoon of glue and a little water. And a little water to make it in a thick consistency. Guys, do share this video. Do send me hearts and likes so I can understand like you are liking this product or not, project or not. This is my very first live. Yeah, hi Priyanka. So what I have done, I have taken 2 part of POP, and if you don't have POP, you can also take corn flour if you are having at home. Corn flour, glue and a little water. Just put 2 drops of vinegar in that, so it will not come to the bad condition. Okay, so my glue is little sticky now. It is drying, so try to avoid all the lumps. Just mix it properly. My crafty friends are also watching me, so if anybody having any query, they can also answer. So guys, do ask if you have any query, any questions. We'll happy to answer your queries. So what I'm doing, I'm just putting my texture paste over this. So I want to give it a brick look. So here, for time constraint, I'm using my stencil. If you don't have stencil, no issues, you can do it with your hand. You can use the lines. Hope it is visible. If comment is interrupting in your work, no issues, you can swipe right side, so comment will be invisible, and you can easily watch the video. Otherwise, I'll try my level best to show you how to give it a just in a 45-degree angle. I'm showing you here like this. Now I will do it to keep it in the bottom part. You can do it with any ice cream stick too. No need, if you don't have this palette knife. Thank you, Ruhi. You always encourage me, I know. Guys, do ask me question if you have any. My many crafty friends are also there. They can also solve your queries if I am unable to answer because of doing the project. I am just putting my texture paste over my project, and I am just giving it a brick look. That's why I have used the stencil. Because of time constraint, you can use without stencils too. The brick shape is very easy to give, but because of it is time taking, I'm using a stencil here. Just a 45-degree angle of your palette knife. Hope it is visible, right? What I'm doing, just I am covering it. The same I will give here. I will cover my whole base with this texture. Hi Pragati. Yeah, so what we are doing, just I am making the brick effect here to give it to my this chopping board. You can take any shape you can take. There is no issues. I'm almost done with this part, so we'll jump for drying, and then the main part will come. Just be with me. This is my very first live. Maybe I will wrong at some point. Yeah, hi Nandini. No issues dear. If you have left somewhere, you can watch the video from scratch. It will be there on the page every day, so no issues. But if you want to solve your queries, you have to be online with us this time, so you can get your queries solved immediately. We have just done the cardboard shape. We have taken a cardboard in a chopping board shape. You can take any shape, whatever you want, and just I have done it with the tissue paper and glue and water mixture, and after that I have given a texture coat over it. The texture paste I have made with the POP, glue and water, equal quantity of all the three. Guys, now you have seen I have covered this part also with my texture paste. Why I am doing this? Just to give it a finished look. Later on we will sand it. Just to cover this. Hope it is visible. We are just making, Nandini, a Mother's Day project, a wall panel to gift mother or to decor our home, wherever we can use. It is a little dry. So what I've done, I have just covered my these corners to give it a finished look. Okay, so left anywhere. Just give me a moment. I'll just finish it. We'll send this uneven part, so no worries. This part is little time taking, otherwise it is very interesting project. Your kids and you will happy to make this. I have just given all the alternatives of the project, like what else you can use if you don't have this, and I am trying to use the home based material as more as possible, so everybody can be with me, can do it with me. Okay, so thank you, Nandini. I have given it with the stencil, but you can use it with the hand also. There is no issues. Why I have used the stencil? Just because of time constraint. Otherwise you can make it with the home with normal knife also. Okay, so till it is drying, what we can do, what we make, again the cardboard part, we'll make 2-3 attachments for this chopping board. Okay, Bosky, if you don't have stencil, there's no issues. You can use I'll show you the sequence. I'll show you in the stencil. What you have to do, you have just paste your texture paste over your your surface. Okay, paste the texture paste here, and what you have to do, you have to make the rectangle lines over the, like this. You have to make the rectangle lines equal distance rectangle lines on the texture paste, and then vertical lines you will make. The first line is in this 1 2 3 4, and the second line is little apart from the first one. Okay, and the third line is equal to the first. So if you don't have stencil, this is the only way, and we also doing this, but because of time constraint and I have the stencil, so I have used this. Otherwise you can use it with the knife also. Okay, so what I was telling, we want some attachments to attach with the this project. Okay, so I need one attachment is like rectangle shape or a square shape. So what I'll make 2-3 attachments. Just give me a moment. Why I am cutting in front of you, you just get the idea like how we can cut it, and how you can cut it with the this thermocol cutter also, this kind of cutter also. You can cut it with the this scissor also. Okay, guys, just send me hi or likes or hearts, so I can get like who is there, who is watching, and if you are liking my project or not. And do share this project, do share this video with the other groups also, so they can also join in and they can also take the benefit of the live. And it is very simple and easy projects. A kid can also do above 4 year or 5 year, or you, if you want to make, you can also make for your home, to decor your home, or for to gift your mother. And frankly, after making, you will not like that, it will not like that you will make it at home. So this kind of rectangle I have taken. Also I want 2 oval shapes. why I am taking two oval shapes? I want to make faces over there, two faces. So I'll try if I can fix it in this small area. I'll try to cut. I'll cut and give it a try. If we can fix it, then definitely I will show you. See, this is my yeah, hi Akansha. This is my first live, guys, so I haven't prepared so much for that, but from next I'll get the idea how to do it for the next time, so definitely I will prepare according to that. So this kind of oval shape I have taken. This is a little dry, so I'm not holding it properly. So here, okay, so one more I want, you and your mother, me and my mom. So two faces we'll making here. You can make the circle face also, you can make the smiley too, no issues. Guys, thank you so much for being with me and in my very first live. I'm so happy to see you all here, and it will motivate me and encourage me to come live and giving more and more free tutorials which will be beneficial for you, which will be giving you a idea how to do crafting with the home based materials. I have started a 7 days craft party. So on the occasion of Mother's Day, like, we have to give something to the mothers. So this is my gift to the mothers. Like, they can make for their home, they can make for their mother, they can make for their kid. So two oval shape I have taken, one rectangle I have taken, and I want one circle. Later on you will get the idea why I am taking too much shapes. So just to enhance our project, I am taking these shapes. So what I am doing, I am just randomly taking a circle shape with any kind of any object you can take to make the circle. I am just showing you an idea. Here I have taken the chopping board shape, but you can take any shape, there is no issues. Guys, send me hearts or likes if you are liking my way of teaching. If you are liking my project, send me, so it will encourage me, it will motivate me. And if you are making with me, you can easily ask the questions, no issues, we'll happy to solve the queries. So today I have taken the Mother's Day project because today is the Mother's Day, and from tomorrow we'll take some different projects for some different objects. So definitely it will be interesting for you. So yes, so this circle, this rectangle, two oval. Okay, so yes, we'll not doing anything over this. If we want to do, we can give it a texture look, there is no issues. Okay, I'll show you how to give a normal texturing. If my texture paste is left, definitely I'll show you. No, all finished, no issues. I'll give you an idea. Just you have to put your texture paste over it. सिंपली आपको टेक्सचर पेस्ट लगाना है ऐसे, और आपको फिंगर से आप उसको टेक्सचरिंग दे सकते हैं, आप उसको पैलेट नाइफ से टेक्सचरिंग दे सकते हैं, ठीक है, तो वो अनइवन सरफेस देगा आपको, फाइन. सो दिस विल ऑल्सो गिव यू अ टेक्सचर लुक, बट हियर वी आर नॉट यूजिंग एनी टेक्सचर पेस्ट because my texture paste has finished. and it will take time to make it more. So what we'll do, we'll dry it. हम अपने जो प्रोजेक्ट है उसको ड्राई कर लेते हैं एक बार. Always don't forget to make a hole in between. टेक्सचर पेज से वो होल मिस हो रहा था. सो आई एम अगेन yes yeah I wanted to tell you one thing. Just forgive me for this, excuse me for this, this is very noisy. I wanted to tell you one thing, why I have covered the cardboard with the tissue paper, because it will give the tissue paper a hardness. और टेक्सचर पेस्ट लगाने से और टिश्यू पेपर लगाने से ये जो हार्डबोर्ड है वो थोड़ा सा स्ट्रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. Yes, now it's dried. Guys, just send me hi so I'll get the idea, like whoever is watching. So can you see? Just a simple hardboard is turned into a different project. Okay, so now comes the sticking part. Oh, I forgot to put my glue gun over this. We can paste these attachment with the Fevicol too, but here I'm not using Fevicol. The reason being, because of time constraint, Fevicol will take some time to dry, and I have to show you this project fully ready. So I am using it glue gun. But if you are making it, you can use with the, you can stick it with the Fevicol. But here I am using a glue gun, just because of time constraint. Otherwise Fevicol is the best. Yeah, hi Ruchita. Guys, if you are making with me this project, you can easily ask the queries, and this is the basic, like you can say benefit, that if you are making with me you will get the idea कि क्या difficulties आती है while making, because in watching और in making there is far difference. जब हम बना रहे होते हैं कोई चीज़ को तो हमें बहुत सारी difficulties आती है which we haven't think that ये हमको आ सकती है while we are making. Like देखने में कोई चीज़ easy लगती है but you are making, तो you will get the experience. तो अगर आप साथ में बनाओगे तो आपको एक आइडिया मिल जाएगा. दिस इज़ माई वेरी फर्स्ट लाइव, सो नो इश्यूज़. बट अभी 6 लाइव्स और बाकी हैं. फ्रॉम 6 days I will come live at the same time, so you can easily watch me, you can do with me. and एक दिन पहले ही मैं मटेरियल डिस्क्लोज कर देती हूँ, या फिर मॉर्निंग में मैं मटेरियल डिस्क्लोज कर देती हूँ कि व्हाट मटेरियल वी नीड फॉर द लाइव क्लास. सो उससे क्या रहेगा ना, यू कैन अरेंज द मटेरियल, और वॉट एवर मटीरियल आई एम यूजिंग, मैं ट्राई करूँगी कि मैं जो भी प्रोजेक्ट यहाँ पे लूँ वो मैं घर से ही जितने भी मटीरियल अरेंज हो सकते हैं मैं उन्हीं पे वो प्रोजेक्ट लूँगी. तो यू कैन ईजिली मेक दैट. लाइक फेविकोल सबके घर में होता है, पीओपी अगर क्राफ्टर है तो उनके घर में होगा, और अगर कोई क्राफ्टिंग नहीं कर रहा है तो डेफिनेटली उनके घर में कॉर्नफ्लोर तो होगा. कॉर्नफ्लोर नहीं होगा तो उनके घर में मैदा तो होगी. तो यू कैन यूज़ दैट प्रोडक्ट टू. तो जो ऑल्टरनेटिव्स हैं वो मैं आपको बताती रहती हूँ, ठीक है. तो जस्ट यू हैव टू डू, आपको मेरे पेज को लाइक करना है तो यू विल गेट द अपडेट. इंस्टाग्राम पे एंड FB पे यू विल फॉलो एंड लाइक माई पेज, तो यू विल गेट द अपडेट अबाउट द मटीरियल ऑल्सो, अबाउट द प्रोजेक्ट ऑल्सो. So it will motivate me too, because this is my very first live, as I told you, on my page. So it will encourage me. Okay, thank you, Suresh sir. Uh, hello, Khurshid ji. Yeah, hello, Sheetal teacher. How are you? Okay, so what we did, we just prepared. It is fully dried now. So my glue gun is also ready. So we'll start with the sticking part, then we'll jump over the coloring part. Fine. So हमारे पास ये चार ये 4 अटैचमेंट्स हैं जो मैंने कार्डबोर्ड से कट किए हैं. 1 रेक्टेंगल, 2 ओवल शेप and sorry it got wet, and 1 circle. Okay, if you don't want, just see the project. If you don't want to give the attach the attachments, no issues, you can easily stick the over the project also. And this is my way of doing. You can do it in your way, there is no issues. Some water is there. Thank you, Sheetal teacher. Thank you, Lochan. You people are encourage me always. Okay, so here I'm not covering these parts. Fine, just giving this like this only, so no issues. Okay, so this is ready. My glue gun is also hot now, so I'm taking this one first. Here is the tape is like sticking there, so I'm not removing the tape, I'm just giving this a back part. Okay, so my front would be this. Simply I'm just sticking it here. I'll show you, no worries guys, I'll show you. Just because of space problem I'm using this like this. I'll show you how to stick it. Just see, we'll write something over here. Okay, I'll show you. And here this part is finished, so I'm giving this a front part. Okay, and my back would be this, and I am sticking this here, just the extreme center left. And the half cardboard would be outside and half would be inside. Got? Okay. And it is too lightweight. You can hang it anywhere, no issues. Okay. So my next is my 2 mama and kid. If you want, you can stick. If you don't want, you can. It's totally your choice. Decor part is your choice. Here is also tape part is there, so I will cover the tape part in the background. Here my one oval is a little slightly bigger than the other one. Okay, so this, and here also I am covering the tape part in the background. Okay, I am done with it. So quickly jump over the coloring part. How easy and quick you'll get at the end, that we can easily make it. And if you make this project, guys, please do share with me, do share it on my page, So I will be more than happy and to appreciate the work. Okay, so you just need a black acrylic color. If you have chalk paint, you can use the chalk paint too, no issues. There is a space problem, guys. I am just taking a black color in my tray. Just a drop of water I am mixing with my acrylic. It is not advisable to mix the acrylic with water, but here I am mixing it. The reason being a little, just a drop, to make it is in a I can say a flowing consistency, not flowing I can say, but a smooth consistency. And thank you Prateek. And also to make it a smooth, and also cardboard sucks water, so I am just diluting a 1 or 2 drop water in the color. Just I have put my brush into the water and just putting into the color. Cover the edges too. Oh, I forgot to sand the edges. No issues, we'll do it later. Guys, do sand the edges if you are working with me. I just forgot to sand the edges here, just in a little hurry. You getting? Just a 1 or 2 drop water I have diluted it into the acrylic. Otherwise, if you are working on a wood, always cover your wood with a primer first. Here I am not using primer, I am just simply covering it with the directly to the color, because this is a live, and see, this is cardboard also, so you can easily directly color it too. And if you are working on a wood, always cover the wood first with the primer. If you don't have primer, you can use the chalk paints. If you don't have primer, you can if you don't have chalk paints, you can use a diluted acrylic white or black color. That will also work. Guys, do send me thumbs up or hi, so I'll get the, whoever is watching with me, I will be happy to be solve your queries. If you have any query, you can ask me. I am just covering this with my black color, and after color nobody will get the idea that it is made from a hardboard. It is made from a cardboard, sorry, and it is just a cardboard, comes with our Amazon or Flipkart or any other packing material. I get many cardboard in my craft, with my craft supplies, so I am using that only. See, my color is, how smooth my color is, just because I have wet my brush first and then I start my coloring. So how, otherwise acrylic is little sticky at some part and not very smooth in working while you are working with a uneven surface. And here I am working with a brick effect, like you got the, so how smooth it is coming. So this is just a simple little idea you will get. little idea you will get after watching the lives. Here I am not covering my back part. Later on I will cover my back part too. Guys, just do share this video in your groups or any other groups or your circle or your page, because it will motivate me to come live more and more and giving you such idea. Hope I am visible. Guys, do answer, because it will giving me idea that you're live with me and you're taking interest in my project. It will motivate me. So here I am just covering the front part just to finish this project. You can understand what I am doing, right? A little more color I required, just a little. Here I am using black acrylic color. You can use chalk paint too, and if you are using gesso, you can use gesso too. And if you don't have gesso, like many people are not doing crafting, they don't know what is gesso and all primer, so you can use a simple acrylic color. Just little dilute it with the hi Ujjwala ji. Actually I have informed it yesterday only. I have decided to come live for coming 7 days. So from today is my very first live, and if you are on my page, like if you have followed or liked my page, you will get the update automatically, because I have posted over it. And tomorrow is the same time, 4 o'clock, I will be coming live for coming 6 days with home based material projects and easy and simple projects which anybody can do in this tough lockdown period. Okay, so this is fully covered. Hope it is visible to everyone. Okay, I am not covering it into the back. Just my little color is left, so I am just finishing that color. Otherwise, I'll do it this back part later, because we just want the front part to work on it. Okay, so now my color is also finished, and I have finished my POP is not fully dried yet. Whenever you do, guys, let it dry for a sufficient time, and once it will dry naturally, the POP and glue part, once it will dry naturally, then you will start working. Then it will be it will give more results, because my POP is not fully dried yet. So yeah, hi Kalpana. See, okay, so what next we'll do, we'll cover this, just a simple technique anybody can do, just a simple technique. Give me a moment. This is my gold acrylic color, metallic gold acrylic color. Here I am using acrylic color more. The reason is acrylic color, the people are having acrylic color at home easily, they are having. So that's why anybody, not everybody is having the chalk colors and all. If you have chalk colors, go with chalk colors, but here I am using acrylic ones. So people get the idea like how to do it. Okay, so what next is the process is, I'll show you how to give a dry brushing effect. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just this much gold, metallic pearl gold. This is pearl metallic gold of Fevicryl. Okay, you can take any brand. I'm not promoting here any brands, so you can take any brand, but I am using this brand. So this is just a gold metallic color, and what I do on the plate, I've taken it, hope it is visible, yes, this. So I have taken it, and I'll dump the brush over the plate, and then I'll just dry brushing over my project. So it will give you a antique look of your project. If you don't want to do this technique, you can easily color it with any kind of color. You can give it to the teal blue, you can give it to the pink color, you can give it to the magenta or cream color, any wall color, wall matching color, your kitchen matching color. You can give any color. Just I am showing you here my technique of dry brushing. So the black, oh I'm so sorry, my black is not fully dried yet. Guys, do dry your color first. Just give me a moment. I thought it's dry. Fully dry your color. The first coat, fully dried your black color. Okay, so it's dried now, I think. Okay. So the same technique, just dip the just dip the brush into the color and tap it into the plate, and then just a dry brush over your project. Water is watery. You can merge it with the fingers too. You can see the effect, the dry brushing effect. Just a dry brushing. It was went wrong here just because my color was not dried fully, and I have put the dry brushing over the wet black one. I'm not doing over it because we will color it, and I'm not doing over it. Little bit I have done over it because I want these two as the same like this. Same like our chopping board base. See how simple it is. Anybody, a kid can also color like this. Okay. So a little dry. After drying, it will be smooth. Okay, so you can see guys, if you made after watching this tutorial, do share it with me. I will definitely more than happy to see your projects inspired by my projects. Okay, so here I want to give these two different colors. If comments are guys, you can swipe the comments, swipe the right side of your phone, so the comment will disappear and you can easily watch the project. Okay, so as always my favorite is teal blue. Yes, it is acrylic. Where's the color? Yes, teal blue, and I'm using it. Just send me hi or thumbs up so I'll get the idea like you're watching with me. Be with me. Thank you, Priyanka. So here I'm giving this kit to a teal blue color. At the end you will get like what I'm making, why I have taken this oval shape. Many can get the idea what I'm making with this oval shape. I always wet my brush a little bit just to dilute the color. A little, just wet the brush. Okay. Next, we want to color the mommy. So as always, I am taking here a vibrant color I want to take. So just a moment. Actually some of my colors are drying, so this is the problem, like too much hot is there, and also just a moment. Yes, this, the red one. Yes, okay. So just a wet brush and dipped into the color, not mixing into the color, the water, because acrylic are not advisable to mix it with color. Just dip your brush into the water and then fine. It needs one more coat because it is a little light color. Okay, so I've done. We'll do it later, the work over it. Next, a very simple technique I'm using here. Just give me a moment. Yes, this is just, I have a cone liner because frankly I'm not good into the sketching part, I can say, or drawing part. So I always use these liners or some tools to use it. So if your writing is very good, my writing is very bad, so I'm not trying to write anything. So if your writing is very good, you're good into calligraphy, then you can write on your own. I'm just using this and I'm writing something over it. Okay, before that, yes, before that as I updated you all in my post that you need some fork or spoons if you can use it. So if you are using any wood spoon or wood fork, then no need to put this round circle here. You can easily hang your this spoon and fork. But see, I didn't get like the long spoon and fork, so I'm using my little MDF embellishments here. You can use a simple spoon and fork, is available at home, the plastic one or the wood one, whatever you are having. So I am just using my yes, 2 or 3 I can say. This will be more big. Okay, so I have these tiny little cute MDF spoon and spoons, type of spoons. So I'm using it, and I will not color it, I will use it as it is. And here I am using it with the glue gun only, as Fevicol will take much time to dry. You can color it if you want, you can color it, and if you want you can directly hang it, okay, but I am using it like this only. Okay, so I'll show you while doing it. And till my glue gun is drying, we'll make these two. हम ये faces बना लेते हैं जो हमने रेडी किए हैं ओवल शेप में. So you'll get the idea कि हमने ओवल शेप क्यों रखा है. Okay, so for that I need my black 0 number brush. Yes. Okay, so I have this 0 number brush with me. Okay, and what we'll do, I just want a little black color. Always keep your bottles, color bottles, and small and big color bottles in the like this, in this way. Always keep like this. So आपके जो कलर्स हैं वो ड्राई नहीं होंगे जल्दी से. Okay, is it visible? Okay, so what I'm doing, just making a face over here. Just I am making a face over here. Hope it is visible. My brush is also not good in condition. Oops, it is coming more. just a 2-3 minutes work. Just a cute tiny owl faces. Guys, my brush is not supporting me. We'll make it more beautiful with some other colors. Till we dry, we'll make it with more colors. My glue gun has just a little, because it will show the impression of this glue gun. So here I'm not using it. Okay, see, I just put a drop over here and okay Ruhi, fine. I have just done the outline here. Okay, the oval outline, and my brush is not supporting because it is like I have to use the new one, and right now I'm not having with me. So the problem is this, it is not supporting me, but later on I will show you in my project, in my photograph, to draw it properly. And here we will write something. Okay, hope it is visible. Fine. Okay, like this. Now it is visible. I have just write mom. I'm just writing moms. Fine. Okay, thank you. Fine. It will be a mirror effect because it will be it is on the front camera, and here I am writing. Here I have written mom's kitchen. Okay, and here I am writing open. open. Okay, and Mom's Kitchen open 24 hours. It is like the mirror image you are like watching. So I will give you the proper photograph, so you'll get the idea how to write it. And I have written it with the 3D outliner, but you can write it with anything, like with a brush. If you're good into sketching, or if you're good into calligraphy, you can write it with the pen or brush also. Okay, so this is Mom's Kitchen. Okay, and here we can this is the main project. We can hang it with any key holder or anything, and we can wrap it with the thread too. And I'll show you how to do it. If I have something with me right now. Yes. I'm having this pink one. Thank you, Rohi. Guys, do send me hearts or thumbs up if you are liking my project. It will motivate me. This is my very first live. I am just giving this a decor look, nothing else. And I'll post the photograph onto the page, so you will get the idea of final finished project. All Fevicol and all the materials are coming to the finishing line due to the lockdown. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Akansha. Do share with me, do share on my page, and do follow and like my page. Guys, I have one surprise for you also, people. Whoever is sharing my project, like at the last of my 7 days project, 7 days party, craft party, I will announce the winners, name of maximum sharers, and whoever has share my this project maximum, I will count for all 7 days, and it will be 2-3 person, many numbers. They will get the surprise class from my side, and obviously this will be my paid class, but not for them, like not for that people. So please do share this do share my projects, or do share my live class, my live session into the other groups or your circle, so you will become the sharer. I'll get who is, like, whoever is sharing my project, it will come to, and it will show it to me. So they will get, definitely they will get reward from my side, because if they are doing something for me, I will definitely work for them. And they will get enrolled in my paid class, that is free of cost, that will be free of cost for them. Please do make this project, please, and do share the photographs with me. Anybody can make this project. See, now the look is totally different. Just a simple ribbon can change the whole look. Okay, and thank you, Ritu, and please do make it with Vedant. I will be more than happy. And guys, just a second, I'm just finishing it a bit. Yes, So it will enhance the project. Just a simple flower. See, so this is my final project. Yeah, surely I will make them with the fine brush. Guys, I don't have the proper brush right now. The thing is, the brushes are inside and it will take more time to find that in my craft material. Definitely I will correct these two because it will gone wrong little here. So I will correct these two and I will show the final project. But this will be the idea. And thank you, Vivida. Thank you, Deepika. Do make it, guys, because this is just with a cardboard, and if you don't have POP, no issues, you can use corn flour. Just mix all the three ingredients in the same quantity, like the POP, the glue and the water. The same like is corn flour, glue and water. Just if you are not using POP and any ceramic powder, if you are using any home based material, like if you are using corn flour, if you are using maida, the all purpose flour, then always mix a 2 or 3 drops of vinegar or lemon juice, whatever you are having in. Just mix 2-3 drops in that, so the fungus will not get infected, the flour will not get infected by fungus. Okay, so and you can make the texture paste like this. Or if you don't want, no issues, you can simply color the cardboard and you can make the brick effect with the brown color. You can also do that. Okay, and these attachments are with the cardboard only, so you can make it with that. You have, if you have the plastic spoon or any wood spoon and fork, whatever is you are having, you can hang them, no issues to, like, no worries if you are like, in that case don't no need to put this attachment. Just hang the spoon and fork over this. Okay, and you can write your name, your mama's name, or your kid name over here also, and you can gift to them. This is very simple project. Yeah, one thing I wanted to tell you, actually I was finding that, but I was unable to find in my stash. I'm having that, but this time not I'm getting. Just put a clip over here if you are having the simple a little clip, wood clip here, and you can attach your paper diary to it, so you can write anything over that, and you can hang the pen over to the clip. So it will be your the simple diary. You can write anything over it. So guys, do make this project, do like, do share this my live with more and more people within your friends and relatives, so many people can take the benefit of this. This is just a simple effort from my side for Mother's Day. And thank you Drupti, thank you Richa, thank you Papa, thank you Arvind, thank you Sandhya, thank you so much guys. Do like, do share this project. This is little sticky, so if you are using 3D liner, take little time to dry it. Okay, so I will post the final outcome over to the my project. Guys, it is my request, just take a screenshot of this project with me, so I can post it to the to my page. Just take a screenshot. Thank you so much for your likes, and if you have done with the screenshot, just send me a thumbs up so I'll get the idea. Thank you Ujjwala, thank you Nandini. And guys, this is just to inform you that only all 6 days, coming 6 days, I will be coming live, and I will be coming live with my other projects, and I will be coming live with the other projects, and they will be more interesting, more creative, and I will assure that many people can do and our little kids can do, because they are getting so much bored nowadays. So they will get benefit of this. Yeah, thank you Richa, thank you for encouraging me. Guys, do share, do like my project, and have a good day. Happy Mother's Day to all lovely mothers. Bye bye. Thank you. Bye. And if you left, like if this live would be there on my page, so you can watch with the scratch. There is no issues, it will be forever there. Okay, until then, bye bye, and we'll be meeting tomorrow the same time for the next live. And contest I already told you about that, so you'll get benefit of that. Okay, till then, bye bye. Thank you so much for bearing me. Thank you so much for be with me for such a long time. Thank you, Upasna. Bye bye, bye guys.